computer, please.
Okay.
Number 9.
The introduction and the literature survey help the reader to understand what the research is about and how they are trying to go about the information. At times, though, I got the feeling that it was more a report than a understanding of the student themselves. So I would again encourage all of you to practice that summarizing and paraphrasing in your own words about the ideas and trying to synthesize those ideas into how you best understand it, rather than directly reflecting what the original author had written. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Kieran. President, please.
My comments to what Kai-Jhong is that the section of result and discussion. Probably this section is not the actual part of result and discussion, because you just mentioned how you did the experiments, but I couldn't find any the results and a discussion of the results. So probably you need to think about how to write the result and discussion.
All right. And here are more comments. Still for the structure of IMID, fields are needed. What is in results for your abstract? Okay, now.